Hello everyone. Today I will explain to you how to upload and hand in assignments via Google Classroom. This is our wall, right? And this is the assignment that I need to hand in. So I click here and you can see the instructions, the material that has been attached, and the assessment criteria together with the class's comments. Okay? Now, in this case, you have to upload both audio material and a picture. So you should go to Add or Create, and you should find your file inside your computer, right? So you can choose to select files from your device, right? And this is when you choose which, suppose I want to attach a picture, right? I will find this picture and this Word document. Okay, so you open it and then you click on upload. Now, if this was to be assessed, right, a Word document wouldn't be a good option. Suppose the teacher has to correct a written text, so I will delete it. You click here. And what you will do in case you need to hand in a written piece of work, you go to Add and you click on Documents. So automatically you get a link with the generation of your Word document for you to edit and for you to solve the activity, right? So you don't need to add anything else. Here you can see what you will upload to your assignment. So once you're ready, you click on Hand in. It shows you the two files that you have chosen to hand in, and then you click on Entregar. Now, suppose you think that the image that you have selected and the Word document still need to be edited, right? You just undo your handing in and you go back to the beginning. Bear in mind that once you hand in a Google document, the file won't allow you to edit it. So, only once you have finished, you can post it or hand it in here, right? And that's basically how you go about this. Alright, well, I hope this is useful. Bye-bye.